Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something I guess we could call it funny for most of us. I think it's going to be more of a positive thing than anything. Microsoft has acknowledged that the famous Patch Tuesday updates that we received in March of last week, which is March 11th, on Windows 10 and on Windows 11 24H2, those famous update that we got, which of course are security updates, had a unwanted effect that Microsoft deems to be, we're so sorry, but by accident on some machines it uninstalled Copilot. So you might have, if you're, I guess we could call it, if you're some of the lucky ones out there, you might have seen that after Copilot, after the updates, Copilot isn't there and the icon has disappeared from the taskbar. So it's kind of funny. I want to laugh more than anything else at this side effect of the Patch Tuesday updates. And of course, Microsoft is so sorry that it's happening on systems. I don't think there's a lot of people that you have to apologize to. I think a lot of people are just, oh, look at that, it's gone. Thank God, I would say. But anyways, maybe a few people that use it will like, well, where is it? It's gone. Of course, you can go and get it back from the Microsoft Store if you want. You just, search for Copilot and get it back from there. But it is kind of funny. Personally, I find that there's a lot of things that Windows updates can do that is bad, and that's always problematic. And we're talking of some of the problems too. But in this case, I think it's not necessarily an unwanted effect of the Patch Tuesday updates of March of 2025. So, did Copilot disappear from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer since last week? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.